Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. An insane deal on a premium smartwatch that you do not want to miss. Introducing the 2025 new Huawei GT5 Pro Smartwatch with a stunning HD AMOLED screen, GPS motion tracking, Bluetooth calling, and so much more. And here's the crazy part. It's 93% off right now. Yep, from $507.86 down to just $37.70. But you'll have to be quick. Let's take a closer look at what you're getting. 1.52-inch HD AMOLED display with 360 by 360 resolution, crisp, bright, and easy to read even in sunlight. GPS motion trajectory tracking, perfect for outdoor sports like cycling, running, hiking, and more. Bluetooth call function, make and receive calls directly from your wrist. OI voice assistant, control your watch hands-free. Comprehensive health monitoring, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep tracking, and activity reminders. IP68 waterproof, wear it while swimming or in the rain without worry. 300 mAh battery, long-lasting performance so you can go days without charging. Compatible with Android 5.0 Plus and iOS 11.0 Plus. But that's not all. This smartwatch packs in customizable watch faces, music control, step counter with analysis, multiple sport modes, football, badminton, basketball, swimming, and more. Weather updates, remote photography, stopwatch, calculator, alarm, and so much more. In the box, you'll get the smartwatch itself, USB wireless charging cable, user manual, original retail packaging. Honestly, for under $40, you're getting a smartwatch packed with features you'd usually only find on models 10 times the price. If you've been waiting to upgrade your watch, this is your chance. Click the link in the description below to grab yours while this deal lasts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews, unboxings, and deals.